Hello student of class 8. Today we will discuss about inverse proportion. Before this we study about your direct proportion. In direct proportion, if there are two variable x and y and the value of x and y are increasing and decreasing simultaneously, then they are called in direct proportion. Means if the value of x is increasing as well as y, the value of y is also increasing, or if the value of x is decreasing as well as the value of y is also decreasing, then they are called in direct proportion. Now in inverse proportion, if there will be also two variables x and y. If the value of x is increasing but value of y is decreasing, then they are called inverse proportion. और ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं, if the value of reverse order, value of x is decreasing and value of y is increasing, so they both variables are in inverse proportion. You can see, there is given some examples. देखिए, speed in hour and time taken. Suppose any person is walking 3 km in 30 minutes. So walking है ना, so what will be in 15 minutes. So यहाँ पे okay, so here 3, 6, 9, 45, or we can understand like this also. Value of walking, running, cycle and by car, and time taken. Walking करते हैं, walking में तक 30 मिनट लगता है, रनिंग 6 15 मिनट, 9 10 एंड 45 में 2. Okay, means what is happening here? Value of x is increasing, and value of y is decreasing. Okay, 30, 45, 15, 10 and 2. So these are called your inverse proportion. Okay, here see another example. Price of each book, number of book that can be bought. 40 book, number of book that can be bought. Each book, price of each book is 40, 50, 60, 75, 80. Okay, तो हमारे पास यदि कांस्टेंट अमाउंट है 6,000 रुपीज़ है सपोज, then how much book we can purchase, हम कितने खरीद सकते हैं. तो यदि कॉस्ट बुक का 40 है तो हम ज़्यादा बुक खरीद सकते हैं, 50 है तो उससे कम, 60 है तो उससे भी कम. हाँ, ओके. तो if the cost is increasing, the number of book is decreasing, है ना. You can see number of book is decreasing. So these all are these. Suppose this is x and this is y. So there is formula x into y is equal to constant. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमको कांस्टेंट वैल्यू मिलेगा. जैसे इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कितना मिलेगा हमको 6000, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई 6000, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई 6000. So there is a formula x into y is equal to k. K is any constant value. what for your direct proportion? It was x upon y is equal to k. But in inverse proportion, x into y is equal to k. Okay, clear बच्चों? And if you have given more number, more quantity of more quantity, so its value will be x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2, or we can write x1 upon x2 is equal to y2 upon y1. x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. You can use this formula. और ट्रांसपोज कर दीजिए x2 किधर, y1 नीचे आ जाएगा, x1 अपॉन x2 इज इक्वल टू y2 अपॉन y1. क्लियर? तो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन. आपको इसको याद रखना है. देयर इज गिवन सम क्वेश्चंस आल्सो. ओके, ऑब्जर्व द फॉलोइंग टेबल and find which of pair is variable. Here x and y are in inverse proportion. तो inverse proportion में आपको पता करना है. तो सिमिलरली इन एट ए ग्लांस आप देखते हैं तो वैल्यू ऑफ x इज डिक्रीजिंग एंड वैल्यू ऑफ y इज इंक्रीजिंग. So they are in inverse proportion, but there x into y should be k. Okay. In second example also, this is, so they are not in, first is not in inverse proportion because इन दोनों मल्टीप्लिकेशन 250 मिल रहा है, इन दोनों मल्टीप्लाई 240, इनका मल्टीप्लाई 210, इसका 160. So they are not in inverse proportion. But what about second? You can see also here x is increasing and y is decreasing. y जो है डिक्रीज हो रहा है. But they are multiply. What about x and to y? 600. In the multiply 3 2 just 6, maybe 600. It's also 600. It's also 600. So x into y is equal to here constant. So this is in inverse proportion. Okay बच्चों. Third, you check yourself. There is given some questions. Okay, 6 pipes are required to fill a tank in 1 hour 20 minutes. एक टैंक को फिल करने के लिए 6 पाइप की रिक्वायरमेंट है 1 घंटे 20 मिनट के लिए. How long will it take if 5 pipes of the same type are used? अब 5 पाइप यूज़ करते हैं तो कितना समय लेगा ये? तो भाई देखिए 1 hour 20 minutes means converted in minute, so it is 80 minutes. It is 80 minutes. So suppose for 6 pipe it is taking 80 minutes. So for 5, suppose this is x. So for 5 pipes you are using, then it will take more time. So it is inverse proportion. So what is the formula for inverse proportion? x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. Or x1 upon x2 is equal to y2 upon y1. So this is x1 x2 y1 y2. ऊपर में होगा बच्चों x1 x2, नीचे होगा y1 y2. Now put the values and simplify. So x is equal to 96. So to fill by 6 pipe it will take 96 minutes. Okay, there is also given some another question. There are 100 students in a hostel. 100 student है hostel में. Food provision for them is for 20 days. 100 स्टूडेंट के लिए फूड है कितना 20 डेज का. हाउ लॉन्ग इट विल दिस प्रोविजन लास्ट इफ 25 मोर स्टूडेंट ज्वाइन द ग्रुप. अब 25 स्टूडेंट और ज्वाइन कर लिए तो नेचुरली फूड जो है वो कम दिन चलेगा. तो फॉर 100 स्टूडेंट इट इज़ 20 डेज. इट इज़ फॉर 20 डेज. नाउ 25 another joint means total student 125. So suppose this is y. तो नेचुरली 125 स्टूडेंट होंगे तो वो कम दिन चलेगा प्रोविज़न उसका. प्रोविज़न मीन्स राशन का सामान. तो यू इज ऑल्सो दिस इज x1 x2 y1 y2. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द फार्मूला. x1 y1 is x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. Now you put the values and solve it. So its answer is coming 16 days. वो जो प्रोविजन है वो 16 डेज में ख़त्म हो जाएगा. ओके, ऐसे एग्जाम्पल और दिए 9. इसको भी आप लोग समझिए. हाँ, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस यू सॉल्व द एक्सरसाइज 13.2. and if you got any problem then you can ask by WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.